Hey everybody, Sunday, April 7th, looking at the Astro Excel. For this week coming up, we're kind of flatlining through tonight into the first part of Monday. We start to push up above the zero line about 11 o'clock, but we're still flat the rest of the day into the evening. And then when we get to about 2200 hours, we got this move going up into Tuesday till about 1500, and then it turns down into early Wednesday morning about 7 a.m. Then there's a sharp push and then flat through the rest of the day. On Wednesday, we get to the end of the trading session in the evening, it starts the downturn, and it's going to bottom out here about 5 a.m. Then there's a push up till about 10, a little push down between noon and 3 o'clock, 1500, then back up to a peak at 2000, 8 p.m., and then down all the way through Friday. So the sharpest move of the week looks like that area Thursday evening into through the day Friday, where we've got the green line gets above the 10 line and then is pushing down. Blue line peaks Monday, 8 a.m., and then between 14 and 1500. Not much outside the 10 line. We get a little one here on Wednesday, 1600, 1800. Not good times for the trade right there. Then on Thursday, we've got 1800 again right at the open, and then 2200. And then we've got this dip on Friday at 11 a.m. and then the other one here at 1500. Now looking for the points where the lines are moving and moving in confluence. I don't generally look at this flat line activity. I don't look for that. The market could follow the blue line pattern. That happens quite a bit. We've got synchronicity here on Tuesday from 11 up until about 1400, where both lines are turning up. And then right there to the end of the session, both lines have turned down. Really on Wednesday, nothing till evening, where both lines are turning down. And then looking for something in the day session, we've got kind of a cross current here between. So not much there until we get to Friday. Around 3 a.m., both lines are going to be in sync till about 11 a.m. So both lines are going to be sharply down Friday from 3 a.m. to 11 a.m. So basically right at the start of the London Open. And then we've got about an 8-hour sync to the downside. So that's the Astro Excel pressure for the coming week.